if somebody would just leave it on and just like try to blend it like this. Would that look realistic? Probably not.
So that's impressive how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah.
We last kicked it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Okay, we're gonna film this intro for the 5th time. Okay, y'all gonna have to excuse my little raggedy nails. Okay, I took my nails off, so my nails are looking ragged, like the glue, and it's just nasty looking. Okay, so just don't mind them. We are gonna be doing an install today on this sensational butter lace. This is an HD lace. This is actually a branch off from the What Lace series, so I'm super excited. Okay, so this is the unit we have here today. I like this look. Okay, this look is definitely giving us blown out and with a little curl. I don't even know how to explain it, y'all know, but it's giving me a blown out. Let me see if it can focus. Probably won't properly. It never focused. This lens, I gotta learn how to use the lens, but it won't focus. But anyway, I don't remember if the butter lace series actually come with a full lace or just a part, but this is how she comes packaged. As you guys can see, nice and secure. We're gonna throw that down there, and let's just see what she's giving us. They got this secure, like, look at all this stuff, y'all, they have in there. Okay, so this is what she is. She's nice and textured, as you guys can see. Definitely has a lot of texture. I love the shine. As you guys can see, it's not giving, oh my gosh, you got stuck to my lips. It's not giving shiny, like, girl, it's just giving that natural sheen. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's a pretty texture. But this is the inside. As you guys can see, there's a comb here, a comb here. I'm gonna cut those out because I hate combs. So yeah, they do give you a little bit of lace room. Yeah, what was I saying? Anyway, it comes with 2 combs, and it comes with a comb at the nape and a pair of drawstrings to tighten it up. Like I said, I am gonna get rid of these 2 because I just hate combs. I'm gonna have to go in and spray it. Look at that part though, that was clean. She's giving clean. So here's my spray, and I'm literally just gonna take it. Is this the medium dark brown? So after you put the tint spray on, you must set it. If you don't set it, it's just gonna wipe right off. I'm just gonna go on with my Sebastian Shaper Plus spray. And just do a little light amount, and then you're just gonna blow dry, or you can just let it air dry depending on when you're installing it. But I'm installing it now, so I need to try it now. Okay, not too shabby. All right, so this is what it looks like. I love how they gave us room so we can customize it, because I need my baby hairs, okay? But as far as the middle part, you're really stuck with the middle part. That's just what it's giving. Now, okay. Whew. Now this unit, I don't know, because what okay, maybe I just need to play with it. It's looking a little raggedy. Put my bag up here. I want to keep bending down on the floor every 15-20 seconds. Okay, so let me just comb it out a little bit to see what she gives. I like the softness of this unit. This unit is super soft. I don't know why I be laughing every time I say that, but it's not giving me horsehair. Like, y'all know how sometimes synthetic hair be feeling like it just came straight off the horse's tail? This wig is not doing that for me. It's not giving that. It's giving very soft. This is giving like it could be my hair, like blow dried. Oh yes. Okay, now I'm trying to get the wave of this. This hair feels so freaking good. Like, it doesn't feel synthetic-y. Okay, that was my first tangle. That was another one. But y'all, this hair, I think this is the best. This is giving me like, I don't know, this texture, it feels so good. It doesn't feel fake. It doesn't feel synthetic-y. This is cute. Okay, now we just gotta make it right, y'all, because y'all know. I would say though, y'all know it's getting warm outside now. It's actually 72 today, and I'm staying my butt inside because I'm not a fan of the heat, okay? So this is giving me more of a winter wig because it is so much hair, one, and it's thick. So it just depends on what you like. I feel like it's gonna be cute though. But I just love how this feels. I can't get over that it's not giving us horsetail. Y'all, they got the Andis hot comb in black. So it was only like $20. The last time I replaced my hot comb was 2 years ago, I think. But I went on the website and I was like, let me get a black one. And I'm like, okay, because it won't get dirty looking. It won't look like it's dirty. I never knew this flat iron went up to 430 degrees. I always turned it up 20 on the dial. But I didn't know that equated to 430 degrees. So I'm not going to use any wax because I feel like wax makes your wig look shiny. Oh, I turned this all the way up like it was a virgin hair unit. I turned this sky high. So yeah, I just like for this part to be super flat. I don't like the bumpiness but I have to be careful because when you straighten the hair, you also change the texture. Did I change it? Probably. Yeah, it looks a little, it'll be alright. This hairline is thick too. And it's not giving, I mean, the hairline doesn't give like what lace because it's not full lace. So it's kind of thick. It's thick up there. Ow, I just slapped my forehead. Okay, that's enough for you. So I'm gonna take some scissors and we're gonna cut off this lace because we don't need all of it. I wonder if somebody would just leave it on there and just like try to blend it like this. Would that look realistic? Probably not. I always try to get super close. Some people said it's not good. I'll do what I want, okay? Because I just don't like the extra lace. Today I'm gonna lay it down using my Ebon Wonderlace Supreme Spray. Y'all know this stuff is the business. If you haven't tried it, I don't know what to tell you, honestly. But anyway, I'm gonna try to secure it down. This doesn't look too bad to have no baby hairs. Maybe because I don't put it like way down here. Y'all, if y'all go back to some of my older videos, y'all can clearly see that my lace was right here. And why? I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my 𝚃𝚗𝚜𝚒 by Fenty because I know that is a deep enough, I guess, shade. You do not want your wig looking like halo, and sometimes mine give halo. But I'm gonna see if my elastic band, because y'all see right here, it's like what lays, and then you go around the perimeter. I've already had a hard time laying it side down. I don't know what it was, maybe because I used the new, no, I use that gel all the time. I don't know, this side just wouldn't lay down. Okay, so it didn't do too bad, but I'm not feeling that patchy. This went wrong over here. Y'all see that? We're gonna have to put some baby hairs down. It's too much product in that area. I don't know what happened. It's hard, y'all. See, every install is not flawless. I don't care what nobody said. I'll be struggling. But I'm just gonna comb it out. You just gotta know how to make it work. Yeah, I might have put too much of the tint spray over in this section. Less is more. But this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna straighten up the part again because that's the thing about middle part units. You'll have to straighten up the part like 20,000 times before it's set in stone. So I'm just gonna take my cream foundation and I'm just gonna put some concealer and, well, some cream foundation in the center. I've always been saying concealer and it was literally cream foundation. Well, I'm just gonna take it. Okay, now that brings out the part. So I'm just going in to detangle it for the final time. I did get some shedding when doing this process. Both times I just feel like I feel the shedding in on my legs, so it's definitely shedding. You know how you just don't feel like when you get done the install, it's like, okay, that is it. I'm not feeling that with this unit. I don't know if it's the stray pieces, my outfit, but it's a cute unit. I think I just need to play with it a little more and get out of this. I don't even know what to put on, so I'm trying to get into my zone, but it's just me and middle parts. I cannot stand middle parts. I feel like that's what it is. Me and middle parts are not friends. Like, I don't like them for some reason. Like, I'll switch it over to a side part 2.5 seconds. That could be it though. But it's not the hair, it's not the unit itself. This unit is thick, on a thicker side, so like I said, it is warm outside down, so it depends on you and what you like. But it is thick. I would definitely have this unit for the winter because it's giving thick. This is definitely reminding me of my natural hair in its blown out state, and it's definitely giving, like, you know, just some light fluffy curls. So this wig in particular that's just what it's giving, okay? I don't know where I was going because I forgot my train of thought. So yeah, like I said, I love the density on this unit. It's very thick, it's very full. If you're looking for a more natural type of style, definitely would recommend this unit. Ooh, I know though, if you straighten this, it's definitely gonna lose its texture. I love the texture in this unit as well. What I was about to say, as far as shedding, I did get shedding with this unit, so don't think that you're not going to get shedding because this unit sheds. Now I feel like it's shedding a little bit more than I would like, but I don't know what to tell you. As far as tangling this unit, I'm not concerned with the tangling with this unit. I got a few snags here and there when I installed the entire unit, so I got a few snags as well when I just went into, you know, run my hands through it to see what it's giving. But y'all, this unit is bomb. I love that it does not feel like a synthetic unit. So somebody would be like, hey, you know, oh, your hair is pretty, or like they touch it, they want to be like, oh, that's a synthetic unit. Like that would not be their first thought because of how this feels. Yeah, I don't know how long these layers or this, you know, like the slight curl is gonna stay in the unit, but this is just what it's given now. Y'all, I love this unit. Okay, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below, and until my next one, you're gonna see you later. Bye guys.
So that's impressive.